Hello my friends, my name is Irina Bjorna. Irina Bjorna and Bell Books invite all of the women in the world to follow the Express Mask for your face. Just release your wrinkles for 10 minutes. Of course, later your wrinkles appear again, but you will be fresh, and if you go to the party or the theater in the evening, you will look fabulous. So what you need one egg. You need vitamin E with the capsules, natural. I use the brand from the Vitamin World. And then I need good honey. So what I do, I take, it's already prepared, it's egg white, and I take about 1 egg white and put it in the wooden bowl. Very important, wooden bowl, because if it's metal, it's porcelain also could be okay, but wooden it's the best. So I put there the 1 egg white, then I take 1 spoon, it's also wooden spoon, of the honey, 1 spoon with the honey there, and then I take 1 or 2 capsules of the E vitamins. So I take the little hole and put the oil in our mixture. Then I start to beat it really good. I'm doing this, I beat all of the things, put this together and just shake this. If you have the food processor, you can use food processor for this, it's okay. But I like to make this by hands, because I have control and it's good exercises for the small movements, yeah? So, very important that your honey should about disappear, so you have the like this good mixture. So what you do, you take the cotton tampon and then you take a little bit and you start to put in your face. So like this, and it's a layer number 1, and it will be about 5-6 different layers. So, and between the layers it's about, I will say 5 minutes. So it depends on the skin, depends on the temperature of the skin, of course. So for mine it's about 5 minutes, so it will be dry. And then I put layer number 2, and you put all around the eye, under the eyebrows. So it's a honey, E vitamin, and egg white, and it's really good. So you should not talk too much when it starts to be dry, so try to keep silence, because it's a mask which is affect your wrinkles, will be no wrinkles at all. So now we wait a little bit. You can see my face now, it starts to be dry, and all of the small wrinkles around the eyes already disappear, and it's difficult for me to talk because it's skin starts to be very rigid. So you can see if I just squeeze skin, so it comes wrinkles again. No wrinkles. So I wait a little bit. I put again cotton. I take cotton part again, and again next layer. Layer number 3. You can also use this in your upper part of the breasts. Also very good area, because it starts to be wrinkles. It's very good express mask for this area also. Just I come closer, you can see how it is. Now when I put it, start to be a little bit reddish. Don't afraid about this, because it's a lot of pores open. They start to eat these good things, especially honey, E vitamins. So let this dry, and then you will repeat this 2 times more. I will not make this records because it's the same. You just repeat. I put layer number 4 now, and when it will be dry, I will put number 5 in 5 minutes, and all procedure is 25 minutes, 5 times 5 minutes, 25 minutes. When it's my last layer will be dry, I go to the bathroom and use first a little bit warm water It's about, I will say that, like your temperature of the body. And then when all of this will be washed really good without soap, just with the water, I put the first cold water, very important because all of the pores should be closed. And then I put the oil from Elisabeth Arden, which I find out it's one of the best oil for the face after this express mask. Still in Europe we do not have declaration what is inside this oil, but I find out that it's very good under the foundation. If you go to the theater and make your makeup, so Elisabeth Arden capsules, they are the best for the all skins and anti-allergic and really good product. I come back, I just wash my face totally, now it's totally washed, and then I apply for my face the Elisabeth Arden capsules. I have my last capsule. I open the capsule, squeeze a little bit, and then just apply it to my face. And then I just wait a little bit, because before I put makeup, it's very important that my face is totally absorb this oil. And now you are about ready. See, your face is nice, shining, radiated. What you need more, it's makeup. Just wait a little bit, 20 minutes, when all of the oil will be absorbed. So you are ready to put your foundation and your makeup for the evening. So remember that very important, you do my face fitness, gymnastics. I do this myself about every day. It's about 2-3 minutes when I drive the car or at home, it doesn't matter. So, but it's important. Build books for easy living and nice people. And Irina Björna, your wellness coach. Hi.